Imagine a world where your dishes sparkle without the use of harsh chemicals. Welcome to the realm of DIY dishwasher detergent. Using just 4 simple ingredients, baking soda, citric acid, borax, and your favorite essential oils, you can craft your own cost-effective and environmentally friendly cleaning solution. The process is straightforward. Mix, store, and use. Encounter an issue? Fret not, there's always a solution at hand. Remember, efficiency is key in dishwashing. So, why wait? Start your journey towards a greener, cleaner kitchen today.